Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the electric drives. As per the names, electric drive, that means we are talking about the AC drive and the DC drive. When by using the power electronics we are going to control the motors is called the drive. When we are going to control the AC motor, that time it's called the AC drive, and when we are going to control the DC motor, it called the DC drive. That means electric drive have two types, AC drive and the DC drives. Here the some the structure of the drive system. Here power electronics, motors element, and the motion sensor. Okay, control signal processing and the motion references. Here this is the power electronics converter, and here we are going to apply the input to the converter as per the load. When load is AC and the input is DC, that time converter will be convert AC from DC. Okay, when the load is DC and the input is AC, that time it convert from AC to DC. As per the requirement, the power electronics converter convert the input signal. Okay, and definitely in which I have the some motion element. Here the motion element is sensed by the some using the some sensors, and the whatever the sensor sense from the motion element will go through the signal processing, and here we are taking the some reference input. This is the control unit of the drives. Knowledge base for the electric drive system. Here electric drives, here machine theory, definitely power electronics, control theory, real-time controller, mechanical system modeling, mechanics, sensor observers, and utility interaction mitigation. Electromechanical power conversion. Use of the power in mechanical form. First, electric machine by electrical to mechanical power conversion. Steam turbine around the 1960. Okay. Third one is the internal combustion engine, ICE, mainly for the traction and the standby the power poles to be replaced by the electric vehicles. Gas turbine, mainly for aviation. If I am talking about the electric machine, the most versatile, easy control, lot of the flexibility in machine design. Okay, not possible with IC engine and gas turbine. Okay, and the second one of the electric machine is the reliable, high efficiency, approximately near about 96% over the wide speed of range. Electric machines are replacing the IC even in the traction applications such as the vehicles and the ship propulsion. And the third one of the electric machines underpin many industrial processes from mining and the wind power conversion to IC production. As the consequences, nearby 2/3 of the electrical power is utilized by electrical machine in the form of the electrical drives. Some of the application of electrical drive. First one is the variable torque, variable speed, and the position servo. Variable torque means process plant, conveyor, lift, actuators, materials, handy equipments, and traction, etc. When I am talking about the application of the variable speed, that means we are talking about the pumps, mill drives, compressor, wind generator, electrical vehicle, railway, other transportation system, electrical ship propulsion. The new application in the vehicle, electrically actuated aircraft, wind, and other energy system, and drones. If I am talking about the application of the position servo, that means the wiring binding machine, the 3-axis drive, machine tool drives, rolling mill drives, mining drives, sheep and platform positioning, material handling equipment, and automation system robot. Here some application of the drive. wheel of the aeroplane. Here, here. Look at this. Drive motor as the wheel of the aeroplane. Definitely, it is a wide range of application of ducts. Precise drilling and the weld conveyor. Definitely, in the application we are using a lot of conveyor. Look at this in industry, in mall, etc. Here, this is the drilling machine. We are using the some ducts. Yeah. Why variable speed? First, operation with high efficiency and the energy saving. Hybrid and fully electrical vehicle, variable speed, pump, air conditioning, and the wind generator. Second one is the speed and position control may be essential to process. Tracking system, process automation, wire bonding of AC, manufacturing industry, and guidance system. And third one is the some process are enhanced if the speed control is available. That means aircraft landing gear, bottling plant, and the mining process. Fourth one is the reduction of the transient and the stresses due to abroad option and on-off operation. Application papers, textiles, and the rolling mills. Fifth one is the disturbance rejection from the supply and the load. And the last one is the matching motor and the load characteristics. This is the lifting load. It is the 4-quadrant operation, okay, in which have the torque speed curve. It is torque speed curve, torque and speed. It works here when the torque is positive and the speed. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth. Look at this. This is the traction machine. This is the brake. Okay. Main row here, car, and the counterweight is up and down, up and down. Highest flow and the lowest flow. Here buffer. Car case, counterweight, and row plus traction machine. Elevator drive system in which require the component like this one. Car, case, counterweight, row, and the traction machine. Okay. Thank you.